Hello, we are FileBound by Upland Software, a company that specializes in creating document management and automation solutions to K-12 school districts of all sizes nationwide. Our solutions help educators reduce paperwork and simplify those manual, time-consuming tasks, so they have more time to focus on students instead of paperwork. Here's Marie, the director for the English Learner Department at Valley Sun. Marie identifies students who could benefit from the specialized resources her department has to offer, and then she oversees the mountain of paperwork and coordination that follows. But ever since the school board approved FileBound, everything's automated, and what a relief that's been. She's immediately notified of requests for student assistance and can quickly assign testing resources. For students who qualify for her program, their records, documents, approvals, and assessments are all tracked in a single secured system, easily accessible for faculty with the right permissions. Marie can view student plans and track annual assessments stored in FileBound right from the SIS interface. She can also update student forms or documents just by dragging and dropping them into folders. Even more, it all rolls up to the student's cumulative file and is available alongside other student information. Now that other department heads have seen the efficiencies that Marie's department gained with FileBound, decision makers across the district are lined up waiting to jump on board and find ways to make their processes go more smoothly. FileBound has been the system of Marie's dreams. Bring on the school year because her students are ready to thrive.